So now you want to get yourself an eBay account set up, and this is pretty simple. All you have to do is log on to ebay.com, as you can see I have done over here, and then click on the register button. Now once you click on register, you're going to come up with this screen. However, you don't want to fill this screen just yet. You want to click on to create a business account. The reason why you want to create a business account is, first of all, this is a business. You're not going to be selling personal items, but you're going to be selling items as a business. On top of that, as a business account, you are potentially more likely to get a higher limit onto your eBay store, and we will look at eBay limits later on in this course. The rest of the information that you just need to enter is pretty self-explanatory, to be honest with you. So legal business name, you just enter your business name, what you want to name your store, it doesn't matter, and then you enter your legal business email address, or the email address that you would like to register with the eBay account, and then you re-enter your email, password, your local telephone number. So if you're based in US, you leave it as US. If you're based in UK, you can look for UK or Canada or wherever you're based, and then just continue to fill the information as it is required. It's pretty self-explanatory. I'm not going to go through this whole process. You just provide the information that eBay require from you. Now, one thing that people ask is, should I use my current eBay account, my personal eBay account, or should I create a new one? My recommendation is that if you currently have a personal account, you can switch it over to a business account. If you do not know how to do that, all you have to do is log into your eBay account and then hover over here and then click on account settings. And then where it says personal information, just click on that, and then it should take you to the screen over here. Then just where it says account type, personal account, click on edit, and then you can switch it over to a business account. It's as simple as that. One thing that I would like to recommend is that you don't want to be selling anything else from this account other than the products that you will be dropshipping, but just keep it simple and keep it China to eBay dropshipping on this specific account. Do not mix it with anything else, and get yourself set up. So sometimes it's going to send you some information, selling, preview the new selling overview. So you can just click OK, got it. So once you've got this account set up, you're kind of ready to start selling. However, there's a few more things that you want to do. First thing that you want to do is you want to link your PayPal account to this eBay seller account. So first of all, on the top left hand corner over here, click on account settings, or just hover over your name and then click account settings. And then it's going to have two messages over here: how to sell items on eBay, sign up for a PayPal, optional. If you want to use PayPal to accept buyers, credit cards and electronic check payments online, we recommend signing up before you list your first item for sale. You can register for PayPal. However, you would have created your PayPal account already. Secondly, it shows fill out your sell your item form. The sell your item form is where you'll create your eBay listing, learn more about listing an item, or go to sell your item form. Don't worry about that yet, because we're going to be going over this in the course anyway. Depending on when you're watching this course, eBay does tend to change its platform a little bit, change its layouts a little bit, so it might look slightly different depending on when you're watching this video. However, it always kind of follows the same concept. So you want to scroll down a little bit and then click link my PayPal account. Then it's going to take you to a page where it asks you to log into your PayPal account. Go ahead and enter your PayPal details, the ones that you've just created or the ones that you already have, and then it should link your PayPal account. However, there may be a few extra steps. If it does ask you for certain verification, by all means, make sure you verify and give them as much information as possible. Sometimes it does even ask to send you a text message. If it does, let them do that and just get everything verified. Then click return to eBay. Now, to double check that your PayPal account is set up, on the left hand side over here where it says PayPal account, click on that and it should take you to this page over here. And if it asks you to verify your PayPal account, by all means make sure you get your account verified. So press become verified, and the account I have linked is already verified. However, it may ask you for some extra information over here. Just give as much information as possible, like adding a bank account, direct debit instructions, confirming your bank account. Just make sure you get everything done, and once everything's done, you can go ahead and click continue. And then when you come back to this account, everything should be verified and you don't have to worry about it anymore. You've now got a verified PayPal account, you've got a verified eBay account, and you're ready to sell on eBay. Let's go over to the next video.